My name's Joe, I'm the founder of Fry the Coop, and I use Uber Eats to deliver happiness. At Fry the Coop, we believe life is like a sandwich. You gotta fill it with the best ingredients. We literally hone in on fried chicken sandwiches, double fried in 100% beef tallow. Sweet, savory, crunchy, spicy, and happiness all in one bite. When I think Uber Eats, I think getting your favorite food fast right to your door. As soon as that food is made, especially fried chicken, like you want to get it in the hands of our guests as soon as possible. Most of the time, the driver is there at our counter waiting for the order before we can even make it, and our food comes out fast. Get an Uber Eats order, and then you look up and the driver's like, "Where is it, guys?" You're like, "We're making it, we're firing it, we're go, 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 go." When you order Uber Eats, you're hungry at that moment. I mean, you want your food and you want it now. And from our experience as a business, Uber Eats just delivers on that promise so we can deliver happiness right to our customers.